break down the steps from this week's heart tutorial for heartbeat song. All right, so for this dance, you're going to start by facing the back. You're going to bring your left foot and cross it over your right, so that way when you turn, it's just unwinding your legs. So, as you're turning, you're going to bring your hands out like this. So, cross, hands out. Then you hear the word you. You're going to point straight at the camera. So, you, and you're going to turn your head to the side. Then you're going to bring your right hand. It's going to link with your left and go around your head. As you do that, your right foot's going to step to the side and your left foot's going to drag itself into a bevel with your right foot. All of this is happening, your head's going to be looking to the side. Then, you're going to bring your head forwards, your hands are linked in the center of your chest, your feet are beveled, so turn your head, and then you're going to bring your hands that are linked to the right while your knees go to the left, and so just switch to a bevel to the other side, and then you bring your hands to the left, and your legs are going to bevel back to the way they were the first time. So, you've just gone head, bevel, bevel. You're going to drop into a lunge, and you're going to lunge just for a second, and then you're going to bring your arms up from your sides as you drag your left leg in. So you just went bevel, bevel, lunge, bring it in, and you're going to face the side. Bring your right hand to your heart, your left hand is going to go on top of it, and your fingers are going to link again. And you're going to bring your arms out. As you bring your arms out, you're going to bend your back so that it makes a nice arc. And this is going to be on nothing. So, let's do it with words from the top. Cross, turn, you. Where the hell did you come from? You're a different kind of fun. And I'm so used to feeling thing. So, you've just backlined like this. Now you're going to bring your hands down like this, and you're going to just turn your whole body. Your right foot is going to cheat and slide a little bit, so that way it stays on the right when you turn, but it's not a full cross as you turn. So, thing. Turn. From here, you're going to do a back ball change. So you're just going to do a ball change where you bring your right foot back and you're going to bring your right arm forward. So ball change, and from here you go passe while your arm continues in a circle. The right arm continues in a circle and your left arm crosses at your hip. Passe, and then step. So after you passe, you're going to go back, back, open. You're going to slide your right foot into your left. Your arms are going to go up from the back and then out. And while they go out, you're going to lean back a bit. So let's go back to you just did Go now. There are the needles on my tongue, anticipating what's to come. And from here, next lines are like my fingers on a loaded gun. So you're going to bring your index finger up and your thumb is going to go out. We're going to make a right angle, and you're going to go right hand, left hand, cross, down. From here, you're going to take your right and cross it over your left again. Just like before, we're going to be unwinding our legs, but we're going to go a little further till they're wound the other direction. So, you don't move your feet at all. Just going to go, you bring your right foot over and turn a whole 360. While you're doing that, your hands are going to come up, and they're just going to be like your fingers moving up back, anticipating what's to come, like a finger on a loaded gun. I can feel the rising temperature inside me. So you just Superman. Then you're going to pas de bourrée. So a pas de bourrée is going to be step back. You're going to step back, out, out. And it's basically a step, ball, change, step. So you're going to go from right inside me, Superman, pas de bourrée. So step, ball, change, step, ball, change. And then you're going to leave your arms like this. So as you do it, your arms are going to go in, out, and so change, step, ball, change. And from here, then you're going to bring your left foot back, and you're going to put your weight on your front foot, and you're just going to, after that, you're going to let yourself turn, and just bring your left foot in here. Don't worry if your turns aren't perfect. My turns are far from perfect, so we're just going to do our best. So you've got pas de bourrée, press, turn, and you're going to step out, and here you go, heartbeat song. So your arms are going to go out, in, and make sure you put some chest into it. So heartbeat song, and when you do this, your fingers are linked like this. Heartbeat song, and then you're going to hear, I'm going to hit. And so then you're going to do another pas de bourrée. You're going to leave your fingers linked, and they're going to come around. So pas de bourrée, and then pas de bourrée. You're going to bring your feet together, arms down, and you're going to bring your hands up, and you go up, all night long. Up, all night long. So up, you're going to bring your index finger and your middle finger are going to go up together, and you're just going to flick your wrist like this as you jump. Up, and then you're going to step out to your left, and you're going to let your arms sway left, down. Up, left, down. Then you're going to go, and you're just going to do it the other way. So on your right. Heartbeat song, pas de bourrée, heartbeat song, pas de bourrée, jump, sway right, jump, sway left, and then this means all night long. So you're going to bring your right foot out, your arms are going to go up, and your right foot's going to slide back in. As they go up, you're going to turn your head to the right, and then quickly, on a little beat, turn your head forwards. And that's it. That's our whole combo. We are going to go back to the beginning and do it slowly, and then if you want to do it at full speed, go ahead and watch the full video and try to keep up and work with that one. So, turn, you, head, up and around, bevel, lunge, up, hand, back, turn, ball change, passe, step, open, up, out, and watch the full dance video and try it. Go.